In your essay writing, only one test will be covered in this. So 30 plus 30 60, 60 plus 20 80, and 80 plus 24 104, and plus 1 for your essay paper as well. So this is total of 105 tests. Hello everyone. This side Nikhil. I'm a career psychologist here, and today we discuss about why we choose sociology as an optional in UPSC. And in our Plutus IS, our sociology is our co-founder ma'am deals with it, and she is an expert teacher with outstanding knowledge in socio and anthro as well. Most of the students take socio and anthro from Plutus IS. So today let's talk about what are the details and regarding how to start your career, how to start your UPSC journey with the sociology as well. So let's start. Here you can see our co-founder ma'am Dr. Huma Hassan will guide you about the sociology subject. She is a gold medalist and from Jawaharlal University, which we call JNU. She is total of 14 years of experience in teaching with 7 years of UPSC coaching as well. She is a gold medalist in sociology as well. And here you can find her YouTube channel, Dr. Huma Hassan, which is Sociology Club, where you can find easily in the YouTube, where she discuss about the sociology theory of. So why we study sociology optional from Huma Hassan? After watching her lectures, you will realize her teaching skills are phenomenal. In class, she will guide you with clarity and conceptual clarity as well with examples, breaking down complex things into simpler one. This is the main part of the ma'am teaching as well. So how she guide you in the classroom, how her teaching styles, let's focus into it. So here we can see the teaching style. The first is concept clarity. Here it is. Basics will be covered in such a manner that a student get clarity with examples as well as NCERT sociology as well. First ma'am will cover the NCERT part of sociology, then after that she will guide you in such a basic manner so your basics will be covered very smoothly. Okay, all right. Ma'am will guide you previous year questions as well. Ma'am will cover in such a manner that you will easily tackle the PYQs, the previous year question set of the sociology as well. So almost 15 days of your like a part will cover of your basics. After that, after your basics will be covered, then your advanced sociology will be started. So here it is already written, ma'am will cover in such a manner that you will be easily tackle the PYQs without entering the advanced level of sociology optional as well. After that, ma'am is a student-centric teacher. These are the main reasons behind students appreciate her teaching styles. In a whole syllabus, she covered in a very short span of time. Ma'am will give individual guidance on a daily basis. In fact, she will proper guide you for your well, basically she will guide you for your interview preparation as well, because sociology part will cover in your interview preparation as well, and these will we make your notes on a daily basis. After that, this is our main formula. This is main formula, E square OP. What does it mean? This is a simple formula, E square of OP, in which E is of your ethics parts. Your ethics part will be covered in such a manner that like you don't have to like go for extra knowledge, because ma'am will cover your ethics as well as your essay writing, because sociology will also help in essay writing as well. So ma'am will cover your essay writing, plus obviously your optional subjects will be covered as well. And P, which I already told you about, the personality test. That is why ma'am will guide you, and on each day, on each class, the dictation that help on a per day note or per day basis, so you make your notes on a daily basis. So this is basic all around each and everything. So this is the way ma'am teaches you, and this is E square OP, what does it mean? After that, the test series. How many test series will be available in the sociology? So there are total 105 test series will be given to you by us. Almost 105. So for paper 1 with PYQs, almost 30 tests will be given by us to you on a weekly basis. On a weekly basis, your PYQ test, your PYQ paper will be covered, and this is of 30, almost 30 tests. For paper 2 as well, with PYQs, almost 30, and this is also on a weekly basis. So on each Saturday your test will be held, and in this test she will guide you how to articulate your answers in your optional subjects. So this is 30 plus 30. Alright, after that, sectional test. So sectional means topic wise. This is a topic wise, so she will provide you the planner of sectional, and this is almost 20 sectional tests will be covered by ma'am, and this is wholly based on the topic. So the last from last 5 to 7 years, topic wise question will be covered in this 20 test of the sectional. And the next one is your full length. This full length, almost 24 tests will be given by ma'am to you all, and this is of almost, this full length is of 250 marks each. So each test will be of 250 marks, and this is the full length of 24. And the last one is your essay writing. In your essay writing, only one test will be covered in this. So 30 plus 30 60, 60 plus 20 80, and 80 plus 24 104, and plus 1 for your essay paper as well. So this is total of 105 tests will be given by us to you on a whole basis. So this is how ma'am teaches you as well. So this is our social thinkers. These are the social thinkers from all around the world. The first one will be, you can see, the Karl Marx. Karl Marx, he is basically the advocate for communism. He is properly all over the world, and he is basically from London, UK. The second one, you can see Emily Durkheim. Emily Durkheim is basically established the field of the sociology, and he mainly focus on that, and he is from Paris and France. After that, M. Srinivasan, he is an Indian. He is basically from Bangalore, India, and he will teaches you the methods and prospects of sociological research in villages of India. And the last one, the most famous one, the Max Weber. He is from Munich, Germany, and his thesis on Protestantism and all. So these are our all social thinkers, most famous social thinkers of sociology as well. So ma'am, your concept clarity with mastering theoretical concept. The way ma'am teaches these thinkers theories will give you great physical, great conceptual clarity as well, so that you can get knowledge as well. Her style of teaching the sociological theories, which is highly beneficial for writing enriched answer in the UPSC mains exams as well, because these are also coming in the your papers as well. That is why ma'am will give you proper clarity as well. After that, what is historical materialism? Examines its relevance in the modernization contemporary society. This is ma'am's predicted questions, and this is almost 20 marks question, which will by the George Magnus. He wrote the articles about Karl Marx to save how to save the world economy, because of after 2009 there is a economic crisis, and this will almost shake the world. So the George Magnus, he wrote the articles about how Karl Marx idea will change the world economy if you give it a chance by his philosophy. After that, here it is, our Raghuram Rajan, our ex RBI chief. The Raghuram Rajan is also the former International Monetary Fund IMF chief economist and RBI governor as well, who predicted the world global finance crisis more than a decade ago. He already warned us about the global finance crisis, which is basically for the banking system is headed for more turmoil after the rescues of Silicon Valley Bank and Credit Suisse. So he will already predicted the basically financial crisis about a decade ago. So first of all, you have to know what was global financial crisis of 2008. These are the reasons. First of all, you have to know that this financial crisis was the worst economic disaster since the stock market crash of 1929. So in almost 81 years, this worst financial crisis which will be happen, and it will almost shock the world in 2008. It started with the subprime mortgage lending crisis in 2007 and expanded into a global banking crisis with the failure of investment bank Lehman Brothers in September 2008. After that, huge bailouts and other measures meant to limit the spread of the damage failed, and the global economy fell into the recession. These are the main reasons behind your economic crisis in 2001. Here we can show you can show see this via the graph as well. The real estate bubble. First, they give the low interest rate. After increasing the borrower to the buy house, they suddenly increase the prices of the house. After that, the subprime mortgage rapidly developing, and this thing fell into the recession. These are the main reason behind the global financial crisis GFC of 2008. Alright, let's move to the next one. Hence, we are reading Marx because we enhance the global economy. So why we choose Karl Marx and how we enhance by his philosophy or by his principles. So the expansion of capitalism and its need to have bigger and bigger global markets. These are the main market. These are the most brands which you can see: Amazon, Microsoft, Google, Visa, McDonald's, Citibank for the banking sector, HSBC, DBS, Standard Chartered. So these are all around the world because this is the concept of the Karl Marx. Because when you expand the capitalism, then it's needed to have bigger and bigger global markets. So these all are the brands you can see all around the world as well. After that, for its commodities create capitalist societies, so they can make a better capitalist societies. After that, progress is defined by the extent of the bourgeois capitalist culture, so that we can develop this culture all around the world. That is their adaptability to meeting the demands of capitalism by producing commodities for domestic and global consumption as well. So basically, they can fulfill the demand of all around the world, so that global consumption will be increasing day by day. So this is the Western capitalism has expanded to create a globalizing capitalist world in which consumer goods are the common global culture currency. So that is why USA basically, from the like most of the brands, you can see this on the PPT, are from the USA, mostly from the Western countries as well. So their main motto is to expand and create the globalizing capitalist all around the world, in which consumer goods are the common global currency are in this world right now. So this is how we can invasion our global economy by the communists. Here are some recent examples which we can see. We can see this, the case of Maruti Suzuki, in which workers are basically protesting for their things. These are the examples you can see. So these all things are covered in such a manner, so you get each and everything in this class by the ma'am, because of her adaptability and her enthusiasm on a daily basis. So ma'am, which I already told you, personalized attention. So in short, ma'am focus attention on each and every aspirants, plus interactive class, because each and every student will come and ask everything regardless of the situation, plus the notes evaluation, because ma'am will dictate you on a daily basis so that you can make your notes, and after you making notes, ma'am will also check your notes as well. So this notes evaluation will be covered, and after that, after you making your own notes, and this will be beneficial for your mains paper. After that, answer copies evaluation on a Saturday basis. Your answer writing skill will be enhanced by the weekly test, so that answer copies evaluation by the ma'am as well, and she can give you a feedback and check your copy, and within 3 to 4 days you can understand what you have to enhance and what you have to come for the exam as well. Plus reflect on your personal strength and weakness, so that you can understand your personal strength and weakness as well. After that, so this is the way ma'am teaches you, give you the personalized attention, focus attention on each and every aspirant, and such a interactive class as well. For more information regarding the fees, if you want to have a session with the ma'am, then please come to our main office, which is on New Delhi Karol Bagh, Apsara Arcade building. So this is Nikhil Raj signing off. Thank you and have a nice day to all.